model, 65-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter needs engine replacing. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 85,473. MOT, the 23rd of May 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651.95 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start, there is a hole in the blocks so ideally need engine replacement genuine low miles 85k grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.